Hello, this is DC Trading. Today we have some important news in regards to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Not only are we going to be discussing the technical analysis, but we're going to be discussing what's next for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So make sure to watch the whole video. With that said, if you guys enjoyed the whole video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the post notifications. With that said, let's get right into it. Okay, guys. So as you guys can see, we are looking at the 1 hour chart. First, we are going to look at Bitcoin. Yes, currently Bitcoin's at $47,920. Today is December 16th. It's a Wednesday, 2021. If you guys were wondering. Okay, so as you guys know, if you see right here, for a couple hours out of nowhere, Bitcoin just shot up. It was at a low of 46,602. In a couple hours, it shot up all the way to 49,288. As you guys can see clearly, over time, it's on a down slope. But one thing I want to say is, if we want Bitcoin to continue to rise slowly, we need it to stay above this line right here. As you guys can see, it tested it, and as a result, it got rejected here, so it went back up. It's a good support right here. You guys can see many times it hit this and went back up. So this is a good sign right here, guys. So yes, as you guys know, we are in a bearish market, but do not be afraid, because this actually might be a short bearish period of time for Bitcoin and Ethereum and for all the altcoins. So as you guys can see, there's some higher highs now. This is like right here, and these two higher lows, I should say. There we go, higher lows. So the next step for Bitcoin is to shoot back up again into the 50,000. This is what we want to see. But before we can even talk about that, we need the weekly candle to close above the $47,000 mark in order to see a good sign that we are moving out of the bearish market. So guys, don't be afraid. Yes, it's going to take some time, but this may be a shorter bearish market, just letting you guys know. So be on the lookout for this week. It has to be above the 47,000 in order to still be considered, a good chance of moving out of the bearish market. If it doesn't, we're still going to see it. We're still going to see a bearish market. Now, we're going to be looking at Ethereum. Yes, we're looking at Ethereum. As you guys know, very, very similar to what happened to Bitcoin. It was as low as $3,600. And out of nowhere, within a couple hours, it shot up all the way back to $4,000. Crazy. And right now, as you can see, it has been consolidating right here around the $4,000 mark, which is a good sign for Ethereum. We're going to continue to see probably a uptrend. This can be considered bearish, but I think it's on the edge. It's 50-50. We can't let it go back down to 3,800. There's a good chance it might go back down to 3,800, but it won't go back down to 3,600. That is very low. As you guys can see, we have higher lows right here, shot up out of nowhere, and it's been pretty steady right here. So what we want to look for Bitcoin, or for Ethereum, for its next move is it has to stay above the 3,800 to be considered bullish still. And the next price target is probably being like the 41 to 4,200. It has to close above 3,800, the weekly candle, if we want it to be considered bullish still. Because out of nowhere, this thing shot up, and now it's around here, which is, you can see other consolidations have been around this area as well. So if we look at this, very, very similar. This shot up to $4,100. So the next move is $4,100 for this, and so on. Yes, guys, those are the first couple steps we must see for Bitcoin and Ethereum to move out of the bearish market. This is a good sign right now, because we can see a fast bearish period moving into the bullish. You know, the bulls, as you guys can see, shot it up out of nowhere. Same with Bitcoin, especially with a lot of stuff going on. I expect a lot of good stuff to happen by the end of December. So with that being said, let me know what you guys think. Will Bitcoin and Ethereum move into a bullish period? And will the bearish market be very, very short compared to the other bearish markets or periods we had in the past? Let me know what you guys think. This is just an analysis, technical analysis, looking into it, what to expect, and what we need for it to continue to move in the upward direction. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe, turn post notifications, and let me know what you guys think. And see you guys in the next video. Peace.